Sir, tapos na po.
Okay, send a picture. Okay, let's now check. Everybody send your picture. So, output sent after 3:16. Okay, will not be accepted.
Sir, tapos na po.
Okay, send a picture. Okay, let's now check. Everybody send your picture. So, output sent after 3:16. Okay, will not be accepted.
Sir, tapos na po.
Okay, send a picture.
Sir, saan po isi-send?
Okay, messenger on my personal account.
Sige po.
As in now. Okay, let's check. I think everybody is now finished. Again, I would like to remind that your output, if that's sent after 16. Okay, let's
Sir.
now check. Yes, Angelica. Everybody
Sa
send
Sir
your
Jerome Pahis po
picture.
siya na account.
Yes, Sir Jerome Pahes. So,
Sige po.
yung kamukha ni Piolo
Output
Pascual.
sent
After 3:16.
Sige, sir.
Okay, will not be
Tumawa kay
accepted.
Laila.
Hindi po.
Okay, so let's now answer.
Sir, tapos na po.
Okay, send a picture.
Sir, na-send ko na po.
Okay, so let's now check.
Sir, saan po isi-send?
Okay, messenger on my personal
Okay
account.
na po, sir.
Okay.
Sige po.
As in now. Okay, let's check. I think everybody is now finished. Again, I would like to remind that your output, if that's sent after 16. Okay, let's now
Sir.
check. Yes, Angelica. Everybody
Sa
send
Sir
your
Jerome Panis po
picture.
siya na account.
Sa akin
Yes,
po
Sir
yung may
Jerome
tumutunog.
Pahes. So,
Sige po. Yes,
ako
sir.
ako ni Piolo Pascual.
Send after 3:16.
Sige, sir.
Okay, will not be
Nagulo
accepted
ako
now.
doon. Sa akin pala yun.
Hindi po.
Okay, sige. Okay, hindi, sa live stream yun. Kaya pala sabi ko, ang gulo ah. Okay, so, let's now check your papers. Okay, the first one, that is main vent. Okay. Okay, number 2, what is that?
Side bell.
Okay, please send, type your answer in our chat box para participation. Performance output kasi yan eh. Sige, number 2, what is that? Number 2, so according to Mia, side vent, Erica, Jewel, okay, Mark, Angelo, Jamil, Josephine, okay. Siyan, si Mia, according to Mia, it is Ash, number 2. Okay, what is that? Okay, side vent. Number 3, what is that? Number 3. Okay, Ash, according to Jamil, Rachel, Ash, Angelica also, Mia Crater, number 3. Okay, so ang dami participate. Very good. Laila, Jason, Judy, Janine, Sheila May, John Vincent. Okay. So Ash, number 4, what is that? Okay, Crater daw according to Rachel, to Jamil, to Angelica, Laila, okay, Jewel, Janine, okay. Crater, very good. Number 5 is Lava. Number 6, what is that? Number 6. Number 6, what is that? 6 na tayo. Tapos na yung 5. Okay, Magma Chamber, according to J. Mark. Okay, Lava raw, sabi ni Judy. Okay, number 5 pala yun, okay? So, Magma Chamber, okay? So, again, these are the different parts of a volcano, okay? Who can send in our chat box the complete, okay? The complete parts of a volcano. Sige, send in our chat box.
Ano, sir?
Send in our chat box the complete parts of volcano. Sige nga. Sino makauna? A plus. Ay, bilisan ni Jason ah. Okay, Jenny. Ayan, sabi sila. Okay. So, ayan no, ash, lava, crater, the side vent, the layers, the main vent, okay, and magma chamber. So, by the way, what is magma? What is magma? Anong magma? Yes, Rachel.
Graba.
Okay, so if you say magma, it is a hot fluid or semi-fluid material below or within the Earth's crust. Below or within. How do you differ lava from magma? Ano yung pagkakaiba ng magma sa lava? What do you think?
Sir, yung
Yes, Jenny.
mag po, maliliit tapos po, ano po ba yung sir? Ba po, malalaki yung ano photo.
Okay, so thank you so much. Yes, J. Mark. J. Mark was raising his hand.
Ano sir, yung magma, nasa loob pala ng vulkan, pero paglabas na lava na.
Ayan, very good, J. Mark, okay? If it's a magma, tama si J. Mark, it is inside the volcano. Okay? But if that magma erupted and it comes out from volcano, that is lava. Okay? If that lava cools down, iba na ang tawag doon. So, yun ang nangyayari sa kanya. Do you understand?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, these are the different parts of a volcano. But even though volcanoes have, have unique parts, okay, but still, appearance of volcano differ from one another. Tama ba ako? Pare-pareho ba ang itsura ng mga volcano? Look at the
Hindi
picture.
Hindi po.
Hindi, okay?
Hindi po,
Yeah,
sir.
very good. So now, Lian, how do you differ A from B in terms of their structure? Hello, Lian?
Sir, wait lang. Wait lang.
Okay. Sige, Jason. Ikaw na, Jason.
Yung A po, sir, mas maliit kaysa sa B.
Very good. Okay. Volcano A is smaller than the B. Okay, very good. Very good observation, Jason. Okay. How about for C and B? How do you differ in terms of structure and appearance? Jenny.
So,
Angelica Joyce, go.
Yung ano po sir, sa C po, medyo malaki yung bunganga nung bulkan sa C. Tapos yung sa B naman po, di naman po masyado. Tsaka po, mas maliit po siya dun sa B.
Okay, very good. Very good observation. Okay, Angelica Joyce. Okay, yung C, it has a broad crater compared to B. Tama naman, okay? So, how it happens, okay? Because we have three types of volcano, okay? Remember that these three main types of volcano, we have cinder cone volcano, we have composite, and shirt volcano. So, they are different from one another. Okay, compare A and B. Yan. What have you observed? Yes, Jason.
Ano po, sir, yung A po, mas onti yung nilalabas sa lava, pero yung B po, sir, madami.
Okay. So, ayan, no? Okay. Anong tawag dun sa gitnang yan na dinadaanan ng lava, J. Mark? What do we call that opening?
Cinders.
Ha?
Lava flow.
Cinders po.
Crater, sir.
Cinders po.
Magma chamber.
Chamber. What I mean, the opening there. What do we call that?
Lava flow.
Crater, sir.
Crater ba yun? Yung dinadaanan ng lava? Starts with letter V. Ano yun?
Vent, sir. Vent.
Okay, vent. Very good. Vent. Ayan, no? So, in cinder cone volcano, what have you observed about the vent?
Straight, sir.
Yan, straight. So, how many vents do you see?
Only one.
Only one. Very good, Laila. Okay. How about for B?
4
Five, sir.
po. Ay, 5.
Di ma, sir.
Ayan,
Five.
lima. Meron siyang, ano tawag doon sa vent sa gilid? Anong tawag doon?
Lava flow.
Cinders.
If on the center, the main vent, what do we call on the side?
Side vent.
Okay, side vents. No,
Side
yung
vent.
composite, it has side vents. Unlike for cinder cone, it doesn't have side vents. Okay? So, doon naman kay shield volcano, what do you see in terms of size? What have you observed? Jenny?
Madami po.
Okay, so yung
Madami po.
so yung laban niya, yung lava ba ay kadugtong doon sa main vent? Hindi.
Hindi po.
Hindi
O, sabihin, nakalabas na yan. Okay? Kasi hindi siya kadugtong eh. Okay, nakalabas na yan. Okay? Now, let us differentiate the three types of volcano by a simple activity. Okay? So, activity number 3, types of volcano. Objectives, Judy? What is our objective for this activity? Hello, Judy.
Design po, boss.
Ano? Yes, Judy, what is our objective? Okay, Lian, please read Lian.
Sir, ako po ba yun?
Yes, Lian, paibasa mo.
To study the image of different types of volcano.
Okay, so the image that you have is to study, just one. Okay. Number 2, objective, Mark Angelo.
Write your observation on its shape, size, and lava flow on the table.
Ayan, so you're going to write on the table your observation for the cinder cone, composite, and shield volcano. Its shape, size, and lava flow. Okay, that's one. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, let's
Yes,
now do
yes.
that for just 10 minutes.
Sir, wait
Go.
lang. Sir, wait lang po. Screenshot.
Okay, send your output on my messenger account. Go. Isad na ngayon. Finish? Have you sent already?
Di pa po.
Isad na ngayon. Okay, so let's now continue. Okay, so the first main type of volcano is what we call the shield volcano. Okay, so what does it look like? Shield volcano built almost entirely of fluid lava flows. Ayan, okay. So, ibig sabihin, that shield volcano is covered by entirely by fluid of lava flows. So, what do you think? Why is it that the shield volcano is covered by entirely by fluid lava? Bakit? Just like on the picture. Tingin ninyo. Yes, Lian. Are you raising your hand, Lian? Hello, Lian.
Sir,
Are you raising your hand? Naka-raise hand ka. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. So what do you think? Why the shield volcano is covered by lava? Bakit kaya? Unlike for other volcanoes. Kasi, sige, bakit kaya? Because of its shape. Okay, napakababa niya. Okay? So this shield volcano is being formed due to quiet eruptions, okay? And slow moving lava flows. So what type of lava, okay, released by this volcano? So basaltic. Okay, basaltic lava builds up in the flat layers. So this volcano largest with gently sloping sides. So by the way, what does it mean by gently sloping sides? Ito yung sabihin ng slope. Nakuha ninyo? Hello?
Opo.
Ayan, okay. So yung slope ng ng shield volcano, mababa siya. Nakuha ninyo? Since mababa siya,
Tapos,
so mabilis umapaw yung mabilis mag-erupt yung lava sa
Lava.
kanya. Okay. Okay, remember that some of the largest volcanoes in the world are shield volcanoes. Okay, yan ang itsura ng shield volcano. Do you see in the pictures on the right side?
Opo,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, that is a shield volcano. Next type of volcano is what they call cinder cone volcano. Ayan. Okay, ito yung itsura niya ngayon. So, like what you have observed a while ago, cinder cone volcano has only one single vent. Okay? It has only one vent. Okay, single vent lang siya. So the lava is ejected from single vent, and then most cinder cones have bowl-shaped crater. Ayan, kita ninyo, yung kanyang crater parang bowl. Okay, palubog siya. Okay, so it is being formed due to explosive eruptions. What type of lava is being released? Granitic lava. Okay. So thrown in high into the air. So when the lava cools down, what do we call that? What do we call when the lava cools down?
Depressor.
Okay, tephra. Very good, tephra. Now, pag yung magma, yung molten rock ay nasa loob ng volcano, we call that as magma. So if that magma erupted from volcano and then comes out from the volcano, we call that as lava. If that lava cools down, we call that as tephra. Nakuha ninyo?
Opo.
Yeah.
Okay. So the appearance of this cinder cone volcano is steep-sided and loose slopes. Okay. Unlike kanina, gently sloping lang kanina yung cinder cone volcano. Gently sloping. Ibig sabihin yan, kumbaga mataas lang siya ng konti. Unlike this one, okay, mas mataas doon. Ayan. Okay. Next type is composite volcano. Okay. So remember that some of the Earth's grandest mountains actually are composite volcano. So this volcano is a mixture of other two types, the shield volcano and cinder cone volcano. So how many vents does it have? How many vents does it have?
Five. Five vents.
Ayan, so very good. So it has clustered groups of vents. If it's a clustered group, ibig sabihin marami siyang vents, okay? On the side, and the side vents. Unlike for cinder cone, how many vents does cinder cone have?
Single vent.
Only one. Very good. Okay. So, this composed volcano erupting quietly or sometimes violently. Okay, iba ay talagang napakalakas ng kanyang explosion. So, it is releasing basaltic or granitic lava. So, it has broad bases, yung kanyang ilalim ay malalapad, and steep sides. Ibig sabihin yan, makikipot yung kanyang mga daanan sa kanyang sides, okay? So usually crater at the top and are formed by alternating magma in ash and layered of tephra. So that is the different types of volcano. Okay. Now, so what are the examples of silicon volcano, composite, and shield volcano around the world? Ano yung mga, for example, the Mount Fuji. What type of volcano is that? The Mount Mayon. Ano ba sila? Okay. So let's do a simple activity. Activity number 4, volcanoes around the world. Okay. Objective, classify volcanoes around the world as cinder cone, composite, and shield volcano. Procedure, study the pictures of different volcanoes sent by your teacher, and then classify them as cinder cone, composite, and shield volcano. Write them in table number 3. Ito. Okay, yan lang inyong gagawin. Observe, okay, the pictures of the following volcanoes and then classify them, cinder cone, as composite or shield volcano. I will now send the picture to our group. Okay, I have sent already the picture in our chat box in Yosemite. Do you see it now? Hello.
Opo, sir.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
okay, submit your output again through a picture. Go.
Sir, pwede rin po pa.
Ha? Yes, Jamil?
Okay na po.
Okay. Inaurasan ko yan, ha? It should be submitted 3:50. 3:53. Yan. May oras naman yung sa inyong messenger, di ba? Kung ano oras ka nag-send.
Yes po, sir.
Okay, kaya malalaman ko yan. Go!
Sir, yung name lang po ng ng volcano. O kasama pa po yung place.
Yes, Jamil. Pardon, please. Hello, Jamil. Ano
Yung name
yun?
lang po, yung name lang po ba ng volcano?
Name. Oh, name lang.
Hindi na po kasama yung place, sir.
Hindi na, name lang.
Okay.
Okay, let's check.
Wait lang po.
Send your answer to my free
Sir, wait
stop.
lang, sir.
Okay, sige, sige. Another 2 minutes. Okay. Send now your output.
Nasend ko na, sir.
Okay, very good. Let's now continue. So ngayon na, inaasahan ko na that you have submitted na. Time check, 4:01. Okay, no more. Okay, papers to be waiting. 4:01, okay. Okay, look at this. Okay, so what volcano belongs to Cinder Cone volcano? What volcano in the Cinder Cone?
Parikutin.
Okay, Parikutin. So where can we find Parikutin? Where can we found? Where can we find it?
Mexico.
Okay, very good, Jamil, Mexico. Okay, so look at composite volcano. What have you seen on their names? What similarities do they have?
May mount po.
Ayan, may mount. Kapag sabi mount, ano ibig sabihin yan?
Mountain po.
Yan, just like a mountain. Ibig sabihin, malaki siya, di ba? Malaki siya. Okay,
Yes
pag sabi
po.
mountain. Okay. So Mount Fuji, are you familiar with Mount Fuji?
Yes,
Yes
po,
po.
sir.
Ayan, so where can
Yes,
we
sir.
find it?
Japan po.
Okay, in Japan. Ayan, no? The Mount St. Helens, where can we find it?
Sa ano? USA.
USA.
Okay, USA, very good. Okay. So, ayan, no? Yan. Okay. So, Mount Pinatubo, saan yan?
Philippines.
Okay, Philippines. Ayan, no? Okay. Mauna Loa, saan yan? Mauna
Hawaii.
Loa. Okay, in Hawaii. Very good. Okay, ano? Okay, look at this. What is this?
Taal.
Okay, very good, Jimmy. Taal volcano. So, what type of volcano do you think is Taal?
Shield volcano.
Shield volcano, no? Actually, Taal volcano is a special type of volcano. Yan. Okay, so anong type siya? That is caldera. Ayan, okay. Caldera yung tawag sa kanya, okay? So, according to many experts, okay, caldera actually coming from shield volcano. Yung nga lang, what is the difference between caldera and shield volcanoes? Ano pinagkaiba ng dalawa? In shield volcanoes, what can you see there? That is flowing. What can you see in shield volcano which is flowing? Na mainit, ano yon?
Labas.
Okay, lava.
Laba, sir, yung
Okay, very good. Lava. But in Taal volcano, actually, you cannot see it. Okay? Hindi mo siya makikita. That's why it is a caldera. Aside from caldera, aside from that also, this caldera actually, the top part is literally blown. Okay? Because of the explosion. Okay, what happens? Why is it that it has a very large crater? Okay, don't be confused. Okay, because in some books, you can read that caldera and crater, they are just using it simultaneously, but actually they are different. Okay, ang caldera ay mas malaki sa crater. Tandaan nyo yan, ha? Ang caldera ay mas malaki sa crater. Okay, bakit naging mas malaki si caldera? Kasi nga due to the magma. Okay, so the wall of the volcano collapsed. Kaya naging it forms, okay, a very forming depression. Okay, just like a bowl in the surface. Okay? So, crater, it is being formed due to the outward eruption, palabas. Pero sa caldera, it is being formed due to inward collapse. Papaloob naman siya. Okay, so many are surrounded by steep cliffs and some are filled with water and lakes like just the Taal volcano. Okay? So, caldera depends on the principal landform feature. Tandaan yan, okay? So, these are the different types of volcano. Okay. Do you understand? Ano yung tatlong type ng volcano? The main types and the special type?
Cinder cone.
Cinder.
Volcano. Composite volcano. Shield volcano.
Volcano, shield volcano.
And the special type?
Caldera.
Okay, very good, Mark, Jamil. Okay, Mia. Okay, so yun, no? Yun yung mga tatlong volcano. Okay, look at this. Ayan, what have you seen? How many volcanoes do we have in the on the slide?
3.
3.
Three.
What
Three
have you
po.
what have you observed on the Mayon volcano in terms of eruption list? What have you observed?
Daming beses na po.
Madami po.
Yeah, maraming beses. No, look at Mount Apo.
Maraming gas na po siya pumunta.
Okay, look at Mount Apo.
Wala pa po.
Wala pa, no? Sa mga Pinatubo, meron na, di ba?
Wala pa po siyang record.
Okay, very good. Okay, how it happens, okay? All of them are volcanoes. Why is it that some of them, okay, have no record of eruption? Some of them have many records of eruption. How it happens, okay? Because we have two classifications of volcano. One is active volcanoes. The second one is dormant volcanoes or inactive and extinct volcanoes. But what is active volcanoes? What are dormant volcanoes or inactive volcanoes, and what are extinct volcanoes? To answer that, there is visible activity. Okay, so go to this website. Let us classify the volcanoes in the Philippines as inactive or active volcanoes. Do you see the website? Hello.
Yes po.
Ayan. Okay.
Yes.
Go to open a browser, Google or any browser, and then type www.feebox.dost.gov.ph. Yan. Sige. And then, write your answer. Okay, list down the active and inactive volcanoes in the Philippines. Write your answer on table number 4. Okay. Ito yung table number 4. Diyan mo ilalagay ngayon. Okay. Anong volcanoes in the Philippines are active? What are inactive volcanoes? And then, answer the guide questions here. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go.
Yes.
You may go to your breakout rooms if you want for the groups to you to discuss it para mas alam nyo what is the advantage of groupings. Mas maraming nag-iisip. Pag mas maraming nag-iisip, mas maganda kalalabasan. Okay? Go.
Sir, paano sa table 4?
Sir, ayun lang po yung sasagutan.
Yun yung website.
Sir, ano po uling website yun?
Ito, Jason. Because if I will send that link to the messenger, you cannot open it. That's why we need to type that manually in our browser.
Sir, di po nag-open yung link.
Ang gawin nyo na lang muna, open nyo yung www.feebox.dost.gov.ph.
Ano lang sila nag-open kasi matagal lang mag-loading.
Okay. Nag-open sa'yo, J-Mark. Okay. Yung muna, open nyo muna www.feebox.dost.gov.ph. Tapos, dyan nyo nahanapin yung volcano. So, that is our last activity for today. For today.
So, nasan po yung mga guide question? Thank you po.
Sir, ang tagal po mag-open.
Okay lang.
Kaya ang tagal po. Sir, ayaw naman po magbukas eh.
Ayaw po, sir.
Sige, ito, send ko sa messenger natin. Screenshot ko na.
Copy nyo na lang po yung link, sir, tapos send nyo po sa messenger.
Ayaw niya. Hindi niya ma-open pag kinapi ko. I have tried that last time. Okay na. I have sent already in our group chat the pictures. Do you see it?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I'll be waiting for your output later. Nakuha ninyo? Hello?
Po, sir.
Okay, sige. So,
Opo, sir.
ipapakita ko lang to na yung ating last discussion sana kaso we don't have enough time. Okay, do screenshot lang. Ayan. What is active volcanoes? How do we say that volcano is active if? Ang sabi dyan, if? Hello?
Sir.
How do we say that volcano is active?
Erupted 10 years ago.
Ayan, okay. So, and then they are likely to?
Hirap again.
Okay, very good. Dormant or inactive?
Erupted
Okay, no record of eruption. Okay. But may erupt in the future. Mayon volcano, active, inactive?
Active.
Mount Apo,
Active.
Inactive.
inactive. Okay. Extinct volcanoes are not expected to erupt in the future. Example of extinct volcanoes is, okay, mauna kaya in Hawaii. Okay, so ayan no. So that was according to PHIVOX. Ayan, so ito yung isang type of eruption, volcanic eruption, phreatic, paki-screenshot na lang ninyo. Okay, and then pakibasa na lang. Okay na? Have you do screenshot?
Opo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next is, ito, ay nababas. Ay, nababas na. Ayan, Freyo to magnetic. Tapos na?
Opo, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
next.
sir.
Okay na?
Opo, sir.
Okay.
Opo, sir.
Ito, yan.
Okay na po.
Okay. Okay, then. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for your participation. And then I'll be waiting for the last activity I've told you to do. Okay, so see you on next week. See you on Monday.
May pasok po ba sa Monday?
Sir, hanggang ano oras yung pasan?
Sige, hanggang mamayang gabi. Hanggang 8 p.m.
Thank you po.
Okay, 8 p.m. Okay? I will announce kung may pasok tayo o wala.
Sige po.
Okay.
Okay.
So, thank you so much. Goodbye. Please
Salamat,
message
sir.
others na wala dito. Okay,
Salamat,
goodbye.
sir.
Ingat.
Bye, sir.
Ingat po, sir. Goodbye.
Thank you po.
Bye, sir. Thank